The latest Mercedes-Benz C-Class sedan is a lot like a miniature S-Class. It looks similar to the brand's flagship sedan inside and out and offers many of the same technology features, only in a smaller package that's sportier to drive. The plush interior impresses with luxurious materials and modern display screens, but has a few too many touch-sensitive controls for our liking. A smooth turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 is standard in the C300 model, and there are more powerful AMG C43 and C63 variants if you want your C-Class with a big helping of grunt. The standard C-Class offers strong performance but lacks chassis refinement, as its ride can get uncomfortable on rough roads and the steering lacks feedback. Although it may not drive as well as rivals including the BMW 3 Series and Audi A4, the C-Class is still a strong competitor in the compact luxury sedan segment. The sedan was redesigned for 2022, and Mercedes hasn't made any changes to it for 2023. For now, the previous generation C-Class coupe and convertible versions carry over into 2023, but we expect those to eventually be replaced by a new model called the CLE Class. We would choose the C300 sedan because it represents the latest generation of the C-Class. The sedan now offers 3 trim levels: Premium, Exclusive, and Pinnacle, that bundle popular options together. We think the exclusive trim is the best value. There are still plenty of a la carte options too, including a sporty-looking AMG line package, a panoramic sunroof, and navigation. Adding 4MATIC all-wheel drive costs $2,000 extra. Engine, transmission, and performance. All 2023 C-Class sedans are powered by the same 255 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder and wear the name C300 badge on their shapely trunk lid. The Turbo 4 is enhanced by a 48-volt hybrid system that can temporarily provide up to 20 extra horsepower. All-wheel drive remains an option, with rear-wheel drive being the standard setup. A 9-speed automatic is the only gearbox offered. In our testing, the all-wheel drive C300 4MATIC hit 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds, beating the previous generation C-Class by 0.1 second. Handling is nimble, as expected from a compact sports sedan, but we were disappointed with the lack of steering feel and the flinty ride quality. Braking performance was good and the C300 stopped from 70 miles per hour in just 154 feet, but we'd appreciate a firmer pedal feel. The C300 Coupe and Convertible, both of which carry on for 2023 on the previous generation C-Class platform, are powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder that also makes 255 horsepower but does not use the same 48-volt hybrid system as the sedan. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that rear-wheel drive examples of the C-Class should deliver up to 25 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway. Adding all-wheel drive drops those figures by 2 miles per gallon each to 24 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. In our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test, the all-wheel drive C300 4MATIC beat its highway rating with a 35 miles per gallon result. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The C-Class comes with a high-tech cabin that mirrors that of the larger S-Class flagship. All models come with a digital gauge display, touch-sensitive controls, and a host of amenities. The new model sports a steering wheel that looks similar to that of the S-Class, and Mercedes offers a generous list of standard luxury features such as heated front seats with memory settings, a sunroof, open-pore wood trim, and aluminum accents. Overall, the C-Class is about 2.5 inches longer than the outgoing model and its wheelbase has been stretched by an inch. Mercedes-Benz says that results in more rear seat legroom, but in reality the difference is negligible. Infotainment and connectivity. A large, 12.3-inch vertically oriented infotainment display sweeps up from the center console and toward a trio of round air vents on the upper dashboard. The touchscreen is tilted slightly toward the driver for easier use while driving and runs the most up-to-date version of Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system, complete with the voice-activated digital assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and online access via a Wi-Fi hotspot. All models also come with an 11.9-inch digital gauge display and a fingerprint sensor to authenticate the driver's unique profile for memory settings. A head-up display, a wireless smartphone charging pad, an ambient lighting system, and a Burmester surround sound stereo system are all optional extras. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.